Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start social study, chapter 9, places of worship, where we are going for worshipping. People of different religions live in a neighborhood. They worship God in different ways and different places. Let us learn about some places for worship in the neighborhood. Temple. The Hindus worship God in a temple. They offer puja. There is a pujari who looks after the temple. The temple has idols of gods and goddesses like Shiva, Rama, Krishna, Ganesha and Durga. The main holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. The other holy books of Hindus are Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mosque. The Muslims offer prayers or namaz in a mosque. They offer namaz 5 times a day. There is a special prayer on every Friday. The Muslim women pray at home. The holy book of Muslims is the Quran. The Muslims follow the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. See these places here, they offer their prayers. Church. The Christians offer prayers in a church. They pray to Jesus Christ and Mother Mary. On Sundays there are special prayers. The Christians sing special songs called hymns. The holy book of Christians is the Bible. Gurudwara. The Sikhs offer prayers in a Gurudwara. They sing hymns called Gurbani. The holy book of Sikhs is called Guru Granth Sahib. People of some other religions also live in a neighborhood. They worship God at different places. Other religious places. Jains worship Lord Mahavira in Darasar. The Buddhists pray to Mahatma Buddha in pagodas. The Parsis worship Zarathustra in fire temples. There are different places and ways of worshipping God, but God is one and we all his children. See Lord Buddha, Lord Mahavira. Now in short, the Hindus worship God in a temple. The Muslims offer namaz in a mosque. The Christians offer prayers in a church. The Sikhs offer prayers in a Gurudwara. We must respect all religions and religious places. God is one and we all are his children. Now children, let me repeat. Temple. Hindus worship God in temple. God and goddesses are there. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book, and Hindus other books Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mosque. The Muslim offer prayers in mosque, namaz called namaz, and every Friday, especially in every Friday, they have special prayer, and their holy book is Quran, and they follow the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Church. Christians offer prayers in a church. They pray to Jesus Christ and Mother Mary. Especially Sunday, there is a special prayer. And the special songs called hymns. Their holy book is Bible. So you must remember that one. Muslims Quran, Hindus Bhagavad Gita, Christians Bible, and Gurudwara Gurbani. They worship God at different places. Guru Granth Sahib, holy book Guru Granth Sahib, and other religious places. Jain worship Lord Mahavira in Darasar. Buddhists pray to Mahatma Buddha in pagodas. Children, you must remind this one. It will be MCQ, pagoda, then Lord Mahavira, then their worship places. You must remind that one. Parsis worship Zarathustra in a fire temples. Fire temples is the correct answer. Other 3 options should be there. There are different places of worshipping God, but God is one. We can give it as God is 1, 2, 3, 4. You put tick mark 1. We all are his children. Okay, read it. Thank you.